Hello students. Now problem number 6 from the assignment review assignment J Advanced 2020. Right. This is problem from thermodynamics topic. A cyclic process is given here. A, B, C, A. Temperatures at some points are given TA, TC and VA, VC. Right. And we have to find a point from C to A in the sub process, in the process which is from this point capital C till point capital A. In this process, there is a point where the pressure of gas is same as that at B point. That's the question. At which point between C and B, at which point between the point C and point A, pressure is exactly equals to the pressure which is at point B. That's the question. Right. Now it's a very simple question now. From the ideal gas equation, we all know that PV equals to nRT from the ideal gas equations. So V, you can write nR over P times T. And therefore, if we consider P as a constant value, then the graph corresponding to velocity and the graph corresponding to the volume and temperature, the graph of V versus T at a constant value of pressure P and the constant value of moles. We all know that Vt graph is a straight line graph having a slope equals to nR by P. Slope is nR by P. So this is a graph corresponding to constant pressure capital P. I will use the same concept now. If I draw a line from origin which passes through point B, then from this concept, a line on the VT graph which passes through origin represent a process in which pressure P is constant. In other words, every point on this line will have equal value of pressure P. So if you draw a line which passes through origin and that point B, then at every point on this line, pressure will be equals to that which is at point B. At every point on this line, you will have the same pressure which is at point B. So at this point, let's say it is a D point. At D point also, you will have the same pressure which is at point B. And that is the question. We have to find that point D. So now we have a point which is D where pressure is equals to the pressure at point B through this logic. And now we have to find volume corresponding to point D. What is the volume corresponding to point D? And what is the temperature corresponding to point D? Let's say the volume corresponding to point D is V and the temperature corresponding to point D is T. Now we will do some mathematics. This line which is passing through origin is your line 1, and you can write the equation of line 1. You can write the equation of this line which is passing through origin, and equation of this line 1 through mathematics can be written as V equals to Vc over Ta times capital T. This is the equation of this line. This line has this equation. And you can also write equation for other line. You can also write the equation for this line which is from C to A. Equation of this line which is from C to A can be obtained by the standard form of mathematics, equation of line passing through two given coordinates. So the equation for this line will be written as V minus Vc equals to Va minus Vc over Ta minus Tc, and t minus tc, a standard form of equation of a straight line passing through two given points, a basics of coordinate geometry. Now we have two equations. Equation 1 represent this line, equation 2 represent line CA, and D is a common point on both lines. Since D is the common point on both the lines, the coordinates of point D must satisfy equation 1 as well as equation 2. So what we are going to do is, we will equate both values of V. So V from the first equation and V from the second equation, you will equate. So Vc times capital T over Ta from the first equation, and here you have Va minus Vc upon Ta minus Tc times T minus Tc and plus this Vc. So you will equate these two factors. It will give you a value of T. I am not going to solve. You will obtain the value of T, and then you just substitute the value of T in the equation 1. Right. So if you put T in the equation 1, you get corresponding volume as VATC minus VCTA over VATA minus 2VCTA plus VCTC. That's the answer part. Right. So this was problem number 6 from review assignment J Advanced 2020. More problems to be uploaded very soon. Till then, you have now solutions of the first 6 problems. Watch them, understand them. Take care. Bye bye.